Before we jump into implementation, let's talk about readiness, because adopting AI isn't just about installing a tool, it's about aligning people, processes, and purpose. Let's start with the why, your objective. What specific problem are you solving in software development? AI is a catalyst. It accelerates your strategy, but it's not the strategy itself. If you're not sure how to define your company's objectives, I recommend you revisit our Section 1 material, where we introduced Gartner's Opportunity Radar, a powerful tool to map your organization's opportunities and ambitions. Once you're clear on the use cases, the next step is to choose the right solutions. Do they support your current tech stack? Are they focused on one task or end-to-end? Make sure they deliver the functionality needed. On skill set readiness, do the people who will use AI tools and solutions have the right skills? Do they have the knowledge to use them responsibly? Upskilling teams in AI-powered tools like code generation, testing automation, and debugging. Integration matters. AI tools must plug into your CI/CD pipelines and IDEs without friction. For example, integrating an AI-powered testing tool into a CI/CD pipeline to automate regression tests. Evaluate compatibility with tools like Jenkins, Docker, or Git. Look for tools that provide APIs or plugins to extend their functionality. Once the right tools are in place, it's critical to keep a feedback loop open. Regular input from users and developers helps ensure AI tools remain usable, effective, and aligned with team workflows. For example, in a financial services firm applying AI to fraud detection, gathering user feedback helped reduce false positives significantly. Continuously updating and fine-tuning AI models based on team input ensures the tools stay relevant and deliver real value. And don't forget ethics. AI can reflect bias in its training data, such as favoring certain types of code or frameworks. That's why human review and accountability are essential. Make sure your teams are equipped to spot bias, challenge it, and adjust models accordingly. Security and privacy? It is critical. AI tools often process sensitive data such as proprietary code. Ensure data privacy and compliance. And beware of free tools. Free AI tools may use your data for third-party purposes. Avoid free tools that may store or misuse sensitive code bases. Scalability and flexibility. Cost and ROI. These are all part of the equation. AI tools should scale with your growing codebase and team size, adapt to evolving languages and frameworks, and integrate smoothly across environments. At the same time, cost and ROI must be front and center. Licensing fees, infrastructure upgrades, and training investments should be weighed against measurable gains, like reduced debugging time, faster releases, or improved developer productivity. And finally, change culture. Educate your teams on the value AI brings to their workflows. Encourage experimentation and curiosity. When the culture embraces AI, transformation becomes sustainable and innovation becomes continuous. That was a lot of theory, and rightly so, because getting the foundations right is critical. Now, let's bring it all to life. What comes next will show you how these ideas work in the real world.